Hello.
Today we're going to discuss geologic time scale. What is geologic time scale? It is the extensive interval of time occupied by the geologic history of Earth. Geologic time begins at the start of the Archean Eon and continues to the present day. Eons. The eon is the broadest category of geological time. Earth's history is characterized by 4 eons, in order from oldest to youngest. These are the Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic, which means visible life. This is the interval of geological time characterized by abundant, complex fossilized remains. Being the youngest eon of time, it is also very well represented by rock at Earth's surface. Phanerozoic eon began 541 million years ago, or 0.541 billion years ago. Hadean and Archean. Do you know this was difficult eons to study? They are exposed in very limited places on Earth's surface. Since they are the oldest eons, rocks that are Hadean and Archean in age are often buried far below younger rocks at Earth's surface. Look at this graph below. The Phanerozoic eon represents a paltry 12% of Earth's history. Eras. Eons of geological time are subdivided into eras, which are the second longest units of geological time. The Phanerozoic eon is divided into 3 eras: the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. The Paleozoic Old Life era is characterized by trilobites, the first 4-limbed vertebrates, and the origin of land plants. The Mesozoic Middle Life era represents the age of dinosaurs, though also is noteworthy for the first appearances of mammals and flowering plants. Periods. Eras are subdivided into units of time, called periods, and the Paleozoic era is divided into 6 periods. From oldest to youngest, these are the Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era is divided into the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Cenozoic era. The Cenozoic era is divided into 3 periods: the Paleogene, Neogene, and Quaternary. Epochs and ages. Epochs are divided into even narrower units of time, called ages. The Paleogene period is divided into from oldest to youngest: the Paleocene, Eocene, and Oligocene epochs. Neogene period. The Neogene is divided into the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. Finally, the Quaternary period. Quaternary is divided into the Pleistocene and Holocene epochs. Now that you have learned about the hierarchical components of the geological time scale, eons, eras, periods, and epochs, consider. Let's put this together. Take note that some boundaries, those that follow horizontal lines on the time scale. Oh, wait, there's more. Let's talk about fossils, evidence, and living organism. In this era began with the breakup of one supercontinent and the formation of another. Plants became wider spread, and the first vertebrate animals colonized land. During this time, many modern forms of plants, invertebrates, and fishes evolved. On land, dinosaurs were the dominant animals, while the oceans were populated by large marine reptiles, and pterosaurs ruled the air. And lastly, the Cenozoic has seen the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs and the rise of mankind. It is marked by the Cretaceous-Tertiary extinction event at the end of the Cretaceous period and the end of the Mesozoic era. Now, let's take a look to this where it shows extinction, fossil evidence, and some living organism. Now that you've gained knowledge on geologic time scale, please subscribe and hit the notifications below. Thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle.